In this video, I will show you how to turn off screen reader on PS5. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my PS5 home screen. Now if I scroll across, you can see we got the screen reader turned on.
PlayStation Store. Home for Martin Hemmings. Button.
And as you can see, this can actually get quite annoying, so you don't actually need this on unless you really want it on, but there is a way to turn this off. So what I'm going to do is just turn down the volume on my console just so you guys don't hear the screen reader, and then I'll talk you through the steps of how to go ahead and turn off the screen reader on PS5. So to turn off the screen reader on PS5, what you're going to want to do first is come into your console settings. So if you come up to the top and then go right to this gear icon over here and press X onto your controller, and that's going to take you into your settings. Now what you're going to want to do from here is come up to where it says accessibility and then press X on your controller. And from here on the menu on the left hand side, you can see the option for screen reader. So you want to come down to this and then press right on your controller. What you want to do, you can see at the top it says enable screen reader. All you need to do is press X on your controller. As you can see, this is going to turn the screen reader off. So if I now go back to my PS5 home screen, you can see that the screen reader has now been turned off. So that is how to turn off screen reader on PS5. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.